lawyers, today I'm sharing 7 tips for producing effective law firm videos. There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you, coaching, and self-study courses. Hey, it's Mary Cary again, your legal marketing director, video specialist, website developer, everything to do with marketing in law firms. In the past, lawyers were generally not allowed to advertise their services. This was based on the idea that the practice of law was a profession, not a business, and that allowing lawyers to advertise would lead to unethical behavior and undermine the integrity of the profession. However, this has changed in the United States. In 1977, when the Supreme Court ruled the case of Bates versus the State Bar of Arizona, that lawyers have a First Amendment right to advertise their services. And since then, lawyers have been allowed to advertise subject to certain Bar Association restrictions. So here are 7 tips for producing successful law firm videos. But first, a quick introduction. I've produced over 10,000 law firm videos in all different styles. Having a video is easy, but having a video that reaches or surpasses your goals is not so easy. While my marketing agency does everything related to signing new clients and streamlining your practice,
where'd they find this guy?
I think that I'm best known for video production, not only from directing so many thousands of videos and building video studios in law firms, but as the marketing agency tracking the data that proves that the videos reached their goals. And marketing, when done correctly, is a fabulous investment. So let's jump into this subject. Define your goals. Before starting to produce a video, it's really important to define what you want to accomplish with this video. Do you want to showcase your firm's expertise on a particular legal topic? Do FAQ videos to get new clients? Or maybe you want to provide an overview of your firm's services. Having clear goals will help guide you through the content and your messaging for this video. Choose a compelling topic. Select a topic that will be interesting and informative to your target audience in your practice area. Consider using data or research to support your points and make your video more compelling. Keep it brief. In general, it's a good idea that your video is as brief as possible while still providing the valuable information. Most people's attention spans are limited, so aim to keep your videos under 5 minutes. Now, 5 minutes is actually a long video. That is not considered brief. In fact, there's short movies that are 5 minutes long. But my best performing videos on Facebook and YouTube for lawyers have always been somewhere around 3 minutes long and on one subject. So that's my next point, 1 subject per video. Make sure not to talk about more than 1 subject per video. You can go deep, but you don't want to be going off into different subject matters. Use high quality visuals. Use professional quality video and audio equipment as well as visually appealing graphics and imagery to make your video look and sound professional. Have a clear call to action at the end. At the end of your video, be sure to include a clear call to action for viewers to take so they know what to do. What is the next step? Whether it's visiting your website, signing up for a newsletter, or contacting your firm for more information, it's really important that they know what to do. Promote your video. Once your video is complete, be sure that you promote it. Promote it through your website and social media channels to help increase its reach and visibility. I hope this information has been helpful. Please stay engaged with me by reaching out anytime. You can email me, mary@GoMediaMarketing.com. And here's to your success. Contact us today and learn how GoMedia Marketing Productions can help your law firm grow. Join us on Facebook, and if you're on YouTube, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That's so that more law firms like yours can find this content. Thank you so much.